Imagine a world where machines possess incredible abilities to perform tasks that were once exclusive to humans. This world is not a distant vision, it's already unfolding around us. Artificial intelligence, AI, the technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, is rapidly advancing. But will these machines eventually take over all human roles, rendering us obsolete? AI's impact is undeniable. It excels in automating repetitive and rule-based tasks, enhancing efficiency and productivity across industries. Think of AI as a tireless worker on an assembly line, flawlessly assembling parts day and night. Its precision and consistency make it an ideal candidate for tasks where human errors could have grave consequences, like diagnosing medical conditions or maintaining complex machinery. The scalability of AI is another marvel. It can analyze massive datasets and handle countless tasks simultaneously without losing speed or accuracy. Imagine an AI system managing a logistics network, optimizing routes for thousands of deliveries in seconds. This ability to manage complexity is unmatched by human capacity. Businesses also benefit from AI's cost-saving potential. By automating routine tasks, companies can reduce the need for large workforces, leading to financial advantages and streamlined operations. Picture an AI-powered customer service system that swiftly handles inquiries, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. However, AI has its limitations. It struggles with tasks requiring human-like intuition, creativity, and empathy. Think of a painter who brings emotions to life on a canvas or a therapist who understands and consults. These are realms where AI falters. Additionally, ethical and moral decisions, navigating the intricacies of right and wrong, remain beyond AI's grasp. Adaptability is another distinctive human trait. We're natural learners, capable of mastering new skills and transitioning between roles as circumstances evolve. AI, in contrast, necessitates reprogramming and retraining to adjust to new tasks. Consider a nurse who effortlessly shifts from treating injuries to soothing anxious patients, a feat AI can't replicate without significant effort. One of humanity's exceptional strengths is interpersonal interaction. We connect through empathy, understanding, and shared experiences. While AI can mimic conversation, it struggles to grasp emotions and social cues. Imagine a compassionate teacher who tailors their approach to each student, considering individual needs and emotional states, a task too intricate for AI. Moreover, AI's potential comes with challenges. Biases in data can perpetuate social inequalities. The opaque nature of AI decision-making raises transparency concerns. And then there's the fear of job displacement. What if machines take over livelihoods, leaving millions unemployed? As we ponder these prospects, it's essential to recognize that the future lies in collaboration between humans and AI. Picture a world where AI acts as a formidable ally, handling repetitive tasks and crunching data with unmatched efficiency. Meanwhile, humans channel their creativity into innovation, utilizing empathy and ethical judgment to tackle complex problems. The narrative of humans being replaced by AI oversimplifies a complex reality. AI's rise is a testament to our ingenuity, a tool that magnifies our abilities. But it's not the sum of human qualities. The human spirit encompasses creativity that defies algorithms, ethical wisdom that transcends lines of code, and adaptability that machines envy. So, as AI continues to reshape industries and the way we live, remember this: we're not in a race against the machines, but in a partnership that propels us into a new era. It's a future where AI enhances our capabilities and pushes us to explore the boundless frontiers of human potential.